Can I be honest with you? I'm nervous. I am nervous. PYD Life sent me this sublimation oven to test it out. They sent it, I want to say maybe 3 weeks ago. It may have been 2 weeks ago. In addition to sending this oven, they also sent me a box of sublimation blanks to test out in the oven. Now the box is still sealed because I'm just nervous. I'm nervous to try it out. I think it'll be okay, but I just haven't tried it, okay? So I'm nervous about it. So what I've decided to do was let you vote and tell me which 2 sublimation blanks you want to see me test out in this oven. And the 2 that get the highest number of votes are the 2 that I will test out once I get this unboxed, okay? So you'll have about a week or so to leave your 2 choices, your 2 votes under this video. Just leave a comment. You can say, you know, number 1 and number 3 or whatever. I'm not sure about what's in here, but whatever I take out of this box is fair game. Okay, so did I mention I was nervous? Because I am. I'm very nervous, but I'm going to give it a good old college try, okay? So without further ado, let me get this unboxed and then you guys can get to vote. All right, let's get to unboxing. First of all, I had to use my True Control knife and this box is so heavy. So when I started unboxing it, I paid attention and it said that there were 48 items in there and I just couldn't believe it. I don't think there are 48 items in the box, but you know, I am unboxing it right here live with you. So I will be just as surprised as you are as this goes along. Now, the first thing I noticed, or one thing I noticed, is that there's actually a box inside the box. So just when I thought I was finished with my knife, I had to open the second box and start to get everything unpackaged. After I finally got the box open, the first thing I pulled out were these shrink wrap sleeves or shrink sleeves. I've never used those before, so that made me even more nervous. And the first tumbler I pulled out is this, I think it's like reddish, orangish glass with a bamboo lid. I was excited to see it. I think it's really pretty. I haven't subbed on glass before, so I was even nervous to try that. The second tumbler that I pulled out was this small little travel tumbler. So I just labeled this one number 2. The third item that I pulled out was actually just a regular, it looked like a 12-ounce mug once I finally got it out of the box. And I feel very comfortable about doing that one. The fourth item that I pulled out of the box was just like item number 1. It is a glittery looking glass, I would say a glass jar, a glass tumbler with a bamboo lid. The fifth item that I pulled out was a small travel tumbler, and I actually honestly wanted to do that one right away because I think it's so cute and I think it will be perfect for holding my coffee. So I think I was most excited to see that one. That was item number 5. Okay, the next thing I pulled out was number 6. I didn't actually number that one because I feel like it falls in line with the other glass jars, so I didn't number that one. And I think the same thing with this one. It is a frosted glass jar with the bamboo lid, so I also did not number that one. I kept going. There was so much stuff in this box. I just couldn't believe everything PYD Life sent, and I'm so grateful just to even have an opportunity. I called this one Big Daddy, and I numbered that one as number 6. Kind of nervous about trying to sub on that because that would be really big. All right, and then this next box had 2 tumblers in it. I thought this one was really pretty. It's a pink like marble mug. I think it's so cute. And then also in this same box there was a silver glitter mug. I'm excited about that one. I think it's very, very pretty. I love the fact that it's glitter on the bottom also. So that was number 8. I continued to just try to find space because there was so much stuff in that box, and now I know why it was so heavy. And I just kept going with like numbering everything so I wouldn't forget anything or leave anything out. And this is just me trying to make space for everything, and I'm just double checking everything that's in the boxes. I also didn't number that one. It was in there with the white 12-ounce mug. These were another set of, I think, either 11 or 12-ounce mugs. This is a pink glitter mug. I've numbered this one as number 9. I think it's so pretty, just like the silver one. And inside that same box, there was a gray marble mug. I thought that one was really pretty too, and I do think I'm capable of doing that one. I don't feel nervous about that one at all. And then in the next big box, there were 2 big mugs, and I really couldn't tell without measuring them if they were like 15 ounces or what. I knew they were much bigger than the 12-ounce. So there's a white one, and then there is, in that same box, there's a black and white one. And I'm not sure about the size of those, but I'm excited about those because once again, they will hold my coffee very nicely. Now, to my surprise, they also sent a heat blower, and that just, to be honest, it just made me nervous because I've never used one of these before. But I would assume I'm going to need it in order to add those shrink sleeves, depending on which 2 you guys vote on down below in the comments. So I'm nervous about that, but I'm also excited once again about the opportunity. The last 2 things in the box were these Sublimation skinny tumblers. They are 20-ounce skinny tumblers, and what I really like about these is that it tells you the time and temperature settings for using the mug, for using the sublimation oven. So I was very excited about that because there is no guesswork in trying to figure out like how much time, how many minutes, and all of that. So I really like that. And there were actually 2 boxes of those. So there are 12 of the 20-ounce skinny tumblers. Now, one piece of advice that I will definitely pass along to you is that no matter what 20-ounce skinny tumblers you buy, always measure. No matter where you get them from, even if you have subbed on 20-ounce tumblers before, every 20-ounce tumbler is not the same. So I would definitely always suggest measuring, and I am speaking from advice, not speaking from what I've heard. Okay, so these came with straws, and I thought they were very nice, and I was excited about that. So that is item number 13. All right, so let's recap. Now, these bamboo glasses did come with straws. They were packaged separately. So these do have a straw. Not that it matters. So the choices are, and remember, I'm only going to do 2. The choices are number 1, this bamboo lid with the glass tumbler. This is number 2, option number 2. This one is very plain. Option number 3, just a standard white, looks like a 12 or 11 ounce mug. This is option number 4. It also has a bamboo lid. It looks like it has like a glitter sheen to it. This is number 5. Looks like a small coffee tumbler, maybe a travel mug, maybe. Number 6, I call this one Big Daddy. It's a big travel mug. Probably have to just do sublimation at the top. Number 7 is the pink marble. Number 8 is the glitter mug, which is so beautiful. Number 9 is the pink glitter mug. Number 10 is the gray marble mug. So pretty. Number 11, this looks like it even looks bigger than 15 ounces. I would have to measure it, but number 11 is I would say maybe we'll call it 15 ounces. Number 12 is also one of the bigger mugs. And then number 13 is a standard 20 ounce skinny tumbler. Okay, so leave your 2 choices at the bottom, and I think I'll give everyone about 5 days to vote. And once the voting ends, I will look at the comments below the video, and I will go ahead and go with the consensus of whichever 2 numbers had the most votes. Y'all be easy on me because, as I've stated, I'm nervous. So, all right. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.